Hey, welcome back to Eden Crafters. Well, I decided to rebuild all this to go with our warehouse that's here. Well, what you guys missed, which I really wish I would have been recording, we got hit by a meteor. And it said game over. Well, it didn't really destroy anything. It looked like the meteor hit over here. And it said hold spacebar to continue. And I didn't see anything destroyed. And it didn't change anything over there. And I'm looking. Everything over here seems to be okay. So I don't know what the meteor did. It didn't really do anything. It just killed me. That was weird. I guess the meteors don't do anything but kill you, and didn't have to start over or anything. That's weird. Well, anyways, yeah, I've took down all the machines over here. Well, not all of them, but I'm redoing them so it can work into the warehouse, which is not an easy task. I figured I'd bring you back. I should have brought you back for the us getting hit. I threw a bunch of storage in here to put everything into, and I am slowly trying to put everything back together. Because as long as we got it in the warehouse, it'll pull to what we need. And it doesn't really matter to me on how straight this stuff is going in, as long as it goes in. Nope, no, number 4. Yep, right there. And we need to get these guys, these guys set up for what we want to make. And we want them to make plates, pretty much like the other side. Actually, I'm going to do that from here. I'm not going to fall off. Now this one's making plates, and I'm going to probably send that directly in, just like this one here. This is just making silica, because I can't remember what we had going here. This is copper. We're going to need that split again. We're going to have a ton of warehouses all over the place. But it didn't, I don't think it gave us anything different. And this is going to probably go right through here. We only get 5 slots. I wonder if this has changed any. Yeah, we just get to 5 slots. So, and I did put another one down for iron. I don't know what I'm going to do with now. But I want to get the concrete in, so let's go ahead and go straight in with the concrete. Let's do it this way. Not enough plates. All right, let's go grab some plates. That's why I wanted to get those guys working. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't want to fall off. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, you're making our plates. That's what we want. We'll take the plates. Actually, I'll stand out of the way this time. Okay, got you there. Pull you up. Yeah, see, I don't go for anything fancy. Let's get you up here on top. Can you attach? Come on. Okay. Now go straight up here. It's high enough to get out of the way. And it's working. Beautiful. That'll get our concrete into here. And it's high enough up. I don't like the way that curve is. Please make sure you go up and over. Yeah, but okay, beautiful. And we still got a walkway here. So okay, once we get the little rover thing, we can make sure this is all nice and flat. What are you making? You're making copper, I think. Copper, yes. It didn't give me a warning about a meteor. Yeah, we can't change that. We probably could curve you, take you back apart and curve you over this way. Because you're going to be sort of in the way. At least that one is going to be rolling for a little bit until the concrete's in. Why are you still working? Oh, you're making the plates and that. Silica. What did silica make? Didn't we merge silica with something? Yeah, a lot of these things we can make on our own. Eventually, I'll have everything automated. I don't think there's anything we need for silica. We could probably just put silica directly into the machine. Yeah. Silica can make glass pane. I don't know how much glass we're going to need. Yeah, right now silica doesn't have a major use. So yeah, we can put silica directly in. I'll put you in slot number 2. Okay. Without crossing over into that. There you go. That'll work for me. Probably should have been in the other one. Because we got copper there. And I'm going to need to split that copper. Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah. How close can I get? Can I get that close? All right, where are you at? Does that work? Yeah, it's going in. Oh, can't look into those, that's right. Yeah, that's gonna be tight. It could be a tight area over here. Enough gears. Always running out of gears. You know, I had all this stuff set up. When I took it apart, we should have got all the gears back. Come on. I keep having to make more gears. No, gears are in here. Okay. What was that going in? It's going in. As long as it goes in, I don't care. Wow. Man, I'm going to have to chew all this out. Okay. Oh, this is not going to be good. And I'll fall in between them. Oh, I should just send them. Oh, I don't have you making anything yet. Okay. You can make copper plates. I don't know why I go to the side. I could do this from anywhere. You can make copperware. Alright. Good. That'll keep you guys busy. I should just send that directly in. We've got 3 slots left. And I got those 2. I got those 2. That iron I don't know what I'm going to do with. What else do we got working? That's it. Wow. Too many things going on here. Need another warehouse. And I wanted some stone for... that's what we need to do. We need to put another warehouse over there. Don't worry about these yet. These... Oh, we'll figure out something. Maybe we'll put another warehouse over here. We got room there. We can run those 2 that way, and then put those 2 in here. We'll figure out something. Oh, I need food. Sitting there working all this time, and I'm running low on food. We don't even have our cobalt in yet. We need to get that in. Since a meteor already killed us once. Need to move that ship out of the way too. Sort of blocking everything. Ah, yes, back home. Anything? Oh, we already looked. There was nothing new popped in. Yeah, what do we got new for tasks? Crafting guide. Yeah, there's another 2 machines listed sitting here. You haven't unlocked this element yet. There's no more elements, huh? Ooh, Advanced Miner V2. Because of the diamond ore. Where is that? Aha. Maybe we need to make the sensor array thing. I was trying to go by some of this stuff. Rocket launch site. Maybe I wonder if this is... Oh, look it's targeting us again. Anti-asteroid rocket. Okay, rocket launch site. Can we build a rocket launch site? Yeah. Let's pin that. That's what we need. Because if we can get that other stuff going, this one's all gold. What am I doing? I-beams. 200 I-beams. I need to empty myself out here real quick. Let's build some of them. Let's get everything out of us. We need a lot. Ooh, get the bigger locker. We need 2 glass and more plates. Can I make some glass? Yeah, I can. We'll make a bunch of glass. Heck, those bigger lockers will help out. Okay. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Locker. Locker. Where you at? There you are. Build a locker. Oh, I lost my thing. Oh, plates. Plates. We got plates in here. Come on, we gotta have plates in here. Somewhere. Plates. Really? No plates? I gotta go get plates? Always something. Since we died once. I don't want to die again. Yeah, baby. We're going to build an anti-asteroid rocket. Build. Where you at? Where you at? Where your way down here? Oh, yeah. 2 of you. Right next to each other. That's the way to go, baby. That's the way to go. Yeah. All right, we're going to get rid of everything we don't need. Get rid of all you. I don't know if I need. I don't know what I need. Get rid of all them stones. Concrete. Get rid of that. Oh, look how much room. Oh, get rid of that. I think we need those. And I know we need these. Sort that. All right. Oh, I gotta go back in and pin you. Anti-rocket thing. Oh, you're up here. Your rocket launcher. What are you? Pin that. Okay. I-beams. There's nothing in there. I-beams. Concrete. Concrete's in the, oh yeah, good. Concrete's in the thing, so we don't need that. All right, we need a crap load of rotors. Rotors are in here. Rotors are cable and rubber belts. Rubber belts, oh man. Give me all you got. Boom. Gotta make some stuff. This plane's gotta get out of here. Tired of running around it. Rubber belts. Make them all, baby. Not enough rubber? Oh, rubber. We're on time schedule. We don't want to die. Well, that thing only holds 180 balsamic concrete, or I don't know why I call it balsamic. It's basalt. Oh, yeah. Now we're cooking. Make us all the rubber you can. Oh, that's not going to be much rubber. I think those asteroids are targeting me on purpose. We got to make 40 computers. Holy crap, that's going to be a lot of computers. All right. All right, I got to grab girders. This guy's making girders, so we got to keep him making them. Take them all. Oh man, why does it take? Oh, just because I took them all? Just because I took them all, I took that off there. Why? That's what we want right there. Oh my God, we need 200. Let's see. You got any more trees for me or shrubs? Not many. Oh man, this could take forever. Let's go grab all the crete we can out of there because I think it's full. Because it stopped at 180. Glad we don't need trees. Alley-oop. I gotta build stairs. Yeah, it stopped at 180. It must be full. How are we supposed to hold 400? We're not. The warehouse will. So we can hold 180. Oh man, this is not. Oh, wrong button. So that means we're going to have 220 on us. Oh, there it is. Nope, that's not it. Okay. Let's make some more rubber. I'm going to have to check the cabinet, see if we have rubber in there. Nope. So what do we need for all this just to build rotors? Oh, we need the rubber bands. Or rubber belts, not rubber bands. Oh, you know what I could do? We're not using any other slots yet. I could throw all this in one of the other slots so we don't have to hold it. I should have thought about that when I was over there. Because as long as it's in the warehouse, you can see our numbers going up. It's like having it on us. I should put those, the copper in there for the rotors. And what are we going to need for computers too? Computers, we're going to need copper and circuit boards. Wow, this is going to be a long task. Jeez. Okay. That looks like we're going to be hit again then. This is going to be, hang on, what do we got in these? Do you have anything in these we could use? No. We got some copper. Here's some rubber. Take the rubber. Oh, more rubber. We'll take all the rubber we can. There is some copper here. So we could make a few rotors. Oh, we got some belts. There's more copper, but I think that'll fill us, won't it? Yeah. Set. Let's go wire. Battery cell. Okay. Over here. How many rotors can we make out of that? Man, that's just eating everything up. I can't wait to automate this stuff. That's going to take circuit boards. Cables, circuit boards is silica and copper plates. You know what? That's a good idea. I just thought about something. That might help us go a little quicker. The only thing it won't help us on is the iron beams. If I put both of those coppers, the plates and the wiring, into the warehouse, we can build the stuff without having it on us. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to do this. Ah, not that. This. And I'm going to put all this in here. And if I take 40 of this out, it'll put another 40 in there. And that will be our 400. I got no plates on me, so let's grab some steel plates. I'm going to need a few of these for some tracks. And stop doing that because I don't want the stones. We'll put both of these in the warehouse. Come up. That curved way too much. I hate when they interweave like that. But with both of those in the warehouse, we could now make that stuff from there. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. Go, go, gadget legs. Boing, 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 boing. Yeah, some old farts might know what gadget was. Old cartoon. Okay. Since all that's in the warehouse, we can now come over here and see how it's climbing. Oh, did we just lose it? Yeah, we did. Oh, I hate when that happens. I need that. Thank you very much. So, now see, we got the salt. Oh, concrete. Oh, yeah. We're going to lose it again because I got to go grab some more beams. They don't have beams in the warehouse. Yeah, see, we lose it for some reason. I don't know why. Doesn't make any sense. Another 36 beams. Whoops. 36 more beams and we have it. So we'll build everything else and then we should be able to get that. Oh, I got iron plates on me. I just don't have any iron rods. Okay. Look at all that going in there. Yeah, baby. All right, let's get a few of these. This is the way to build. You know, the funny thing is I probably have circuit boards somewhere. I think over on the other side. Probably got iron beams over there too. Let's get rid of these stones. Leave stones there. Don't have any concrete being automated yet, even though I keep saying I need to automate concrete. I love it. All the cement is in there. Okay, we got those. Now, how many do we... Oh man, we have to make so many of these. It's not going to make nowhere near that. Thought I had a computer on me. I'll probably put it away. 40 computers, jeez. Rubber. I only got 2 rubbers on me. Oh, yeah, we gotta make rubber. I should have automated that when I wanted to. I kept saying, oh yeah, I gotta automate rubber. Yeah, sure. Oh, I'm full. Well, I'm thinking, why isn't it taking it all? I got everything else in me. Okay, this is boring. I should put all this into a box for right now. Yeah, there's no way you could hold all this. You need the warehouse. Because could you imagine trying to hold 400 of that? It'd be impossible. I can't wait to see what these are for. This saw blade. Really? That's all I got? Oh, we are so close on the rotors. Look at that. 29, 30. Oh, no, we just step out of there. And then deposit these somewhere. All right, throw this in there. All of these, all of these. We don't need that no more. Don't need that rubber. Throw those rocks in there. We don't need no iron plates. I'd like to know where I put those computers. I thought I had an extra computer. Yeah, I did. Give me that computer. We're going to need copper wire. Oh, circuit boards. Beautiful. We needed circuit boards for something. What do we need circuit boards for? Computers. Hey, all right. Let's get some computers going. We need 40 of them. We got a whole 5. Oh, I didn't even look to see if there was iron beams in there. We can go for some iron beams. Really? That's it? What are we out of? Circuit boards. Can we make some? Oh yeah, we can make a few. I just click for as many as it'll do. If it'll do them, I'll take them. I could run to the other side, see if I got more circuit boards over there. This thing eats a lot of circuit boards just to make computers. This game really got complex. I love it. With all the different stuff you need. Oh, good. We got 20. Oh, we ate. Yeah, but we ate through so many of these things. It wasn't funny. I wish you could walk away from the machine. Set it up to build a bunch of stuff, then walk away and then come back and grab it. But there is no like compartment for it to hold them. So as soon as you walk away, it stops. It sort of kills a lot of time just sitting here. Wow, we're getting a lot out of it. That's awesome. That's why it's better to have it automated before it goes into the warehouse. This way, these would be stocked in the warehouse. So if you don't want to make a whole bunch of computers made up, it'll be in the warehouse. That was it. Okay. We got 50 of them. That'll make 5. A whole 5 more. Yeah. Wish we had circuit boards all pre-made. This would be a lot simpler. Yeah, I think we need to automate computers. Because this eats up a hell of a lot of materials. Yeah, I know. Oh, and I need food. Always need some food. Boom. That's all I'm giving you. All right, where's our... Thanks. Anything in here we might need? No. In here. Take some more copper wire. No. How about you? No, you're all gold. You... No. All right, we're going to check, see if we got another 40 I-beams. While that thing's building up a little bit more stuff. We need 40 of you. Okay. Now we got all the I-beams. We just need a bunch more computers. And we can actually do that from the other side too. I want to see if there's any computer chips in the lockers over there, because there should be. I don't think we used them. Oh, I'm right here. Check ship too. That'll save us a little bit of time. Check ship from here. Oh, look at that. Oh, 4 computers too. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. All right. That'll help out a lot. Yeah, I knew I made a bunch of computer chips. Yeah, we could build from here too. Especially since the asteroid's supposed to hit on the other side. Now that makes a difference. I was on this side when it hit the other side. All right, let's see what we got. Nothing. We'll take the wire. Wire has a use. Take more wire. We're not. We're running low on space. 1 chip, I'll take it. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. We have what we need, I hope. Make it 30. Let's see. That was a lot of computer chips we just picked up, so... And they're going quick. At 10 a pop? Yeah. Jeez. Holy moly. Yeah, I think we need to automate that. Doesn't take much. It's silica and copper plates. This is where playing with a teammate would come in handy. One person could make the, actually 2 people making these Because this is crazy. All this to get 40 computers. This way to hopefully start stopping the asteroids from killing me. I'm wondering if it would be like missiles being shot out at it. That would be pretty cool. And I'm really dying to see what some of this other stuff does. We know what this does. This is like a recall thing for the ship, for the landing pad, which is pretty cool. It's like where the ship is at right now. If we had the landing pad, we just hit the recall. It'll automatically put the ship on the pad. But this, that's something new. Same thing with this drill. I think this is supposed to be for the diamonds. Same thing with that. And an advanced rotor. A lot of cool stuff. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, this takes forever. How about an advanced crafting bench here? Would be nice. Something that goes a lot faster. That would be cool. Okay, the last one is being built now. We have it all, finally. All right, let's get this thing built. I'm going to build it on the other side. And the meteor didn't hit yet, but I don't think this is supposed to stop the meteor. I think this is just the first rocket. Oh yeah, my guy needs food again. Sure, he'll survive. Where do we want to place this rocket? You know what? Let's just place it right here. Get it over with. Build menu. Oh, it's big. All right, we're not going to place it here. Bigger than I thought. Actually, over this way. So I wasn't doing anything over here. So it'll go over here. All right, get it built, baby. Get it built. Sort of built into the terrain a little bit. It almost looks like it's missing a foundation here. Yeah, doesn't it? Yeah, that's weird. Please select rocket program. Okay. Needs an AI chip according to that. Looks like it needs a platform here. Yeah. Because of that thing still being there, it means it's still being built. We didn't learn anything yet. Come on. Hurry up and finish up. You're missing something down here, buddy. Hurry up and build it. If you build it, it will come. Yeah, it is missing. Look at it. Because that's showing 4. Yeah, see, you're missing that one piece there, buddy. You're missing that one piece. Alright, what do we need for this? Okay, good. We can select that now. Nuclear reactor and a sensor array and an AI chip. Let's pin that. And let's see if we can make that. I don't know if we can. I didn't see anything in there about nuclear reactor. No, I don't think you guys. Hey, did we see anything about nuclear reactor in here? Okay, I don't see a nuclear reactor. We do have a sensor array. We need 10 of those, which takes 3 antennas and 5 gold wire. That's not that much of a problem because the gold wire is rubber. Oh, but nuclear reactor? Where's that at? It's not in here, is it? Hey, man, you're having this. Is there. Wait a minute. Is there another thing to build that I missed? Another station? No. Data center takes a nuclear reactor? Oh, no. Is it planetary analyzer, plant grower? Oh, there's a material analyzer. We can make that. I didn't even see that pop in. Let's pin that instead. Okay. Yes. We need to make 4 more computers. Oh, man. Oh. That's okay. I'll make the computers. That was one thing we were supposed to make. Okay. I guess I'm going to have to bring you back once we get all this stuff done. Be back in a bit. Okay, I am back. I decided I am tired of making computers. So this is now making the not computers, but the circuit boards. This is now making our circuit boards and loading them up. Oh, oh! I put it in the wrong one. Take them out of there and put them in there. Okay. It's now loading up our circuit boards into there. It took a while doing that. Oh, get out of there. So that's been redone. So we have circuit boards being made. The only thing we have to make is computers. That'll make life a little bit simpler. Oh, what a nightmare. So we can make this material analyzer a little bit easier. So we can hopefully get some things done and figure out a few other things. We still haven't figured out how to make that steel alloy. Okay. Now, since wires in there, circuit boards are in there, maybe we can make it a little simpler. So we can get our, well, we only need 4 computers. After we make the 4, I'll just jump out of the machine and it'll stop making them. Okay. Alright, we're going to need some gold. Oh, and I need to eat one of them. I don't know how much gold I need. Take all that gold. Because we can need to make gold wire. Is that in here? No. Okay, gold wire's in here too. Because to make these, we need gold wire. So let's make a bunch of gold wire. Oh, we need rubber. Oh, I got some stuff on me for rubber. Make it all. Oh my god. Well, at least we got the computers now. I definitely got more than enough iron plates on me. Make that gold wire. Then hopefully we'll be in business. Gold wire. And I think I have one gold wire made. This is not going to make much gold wire, is it? Then we make these sensor arrays. We only need 2 of these. Okay, so sensor array. Oh, we need to make these antenna things. Iron rods. Do we have any iron rods in here? Yeah, got a couple here. Take those. That's it. Okay. How many iron rods you need? How many of those do we need? 3. I'm not going to make more than I need. Did I get 3? Yeah, I did. And I need 2 of these. Oh, cancel. Oh, only got 1 anyways. Hang on. What am I shy? Gold wire, I need 1. We have 1. Somewhere. Right there. You know, keep playing this eerie music and I keep thinking, okay, we're going to get hit. Oh, I need 3 more antennas. Not enough rods. Okay, got more rods in here. Nothing in there. No rods. No rods. And, oh man. It's alright, we got rods. I think it's on this side. Yeah, just take them all. Alright, did we make 1? So 2 more of them. And then 1 more sensor array. We can make our new machine. Alright. Let's build that bad boy. Where's it at? Our analyzer. Right there. Nothing new popped up? No. Material analyzer. Why does it say project? Jumping around. Carbon-based material. Okay. So I guess we have to put sulfur in there. Which we do have sulfur somewhere unless we used it. Here, how about some sulfur? You want some sulfur? We'll give you some sulfur. How do we do this? Oh, I just dropped it. No, I want to pick it up. How do I pick up? Did I pick it up? Hopefully I did. Not enough sulfur. Oh, you gotta have filter. 20 sulfur and 10 filters. Okay, I didn't see that before. I don't know why. And wow. I'll have to grab a little bit more sulfur. I know we got sulfur. Oh, I made all those batteries, and the batteries take sulfur. Oh, hopefully I didn't burn it all up. Is that sulfur? Please be sulfur. Yes. Beautiful. We didn't burn it all up. Alright, sulfur. Boom. Analyzing sulfur ore. Hopefully it don't take long. Because then we can get to this. Oh. Complete sulfur ore. Oh, we got tank. We got steamroller. Oh, yeah. We got wheel. Okay. Anything new in here to do? Okay. Carbon-based material. What is grasphere? Coal. Well, we've seen coal in the one thing. Oh, analyze either type of carbon-based material to unlock new recipes. This is so cool. But the coolest thing is we get our new toy. We get our new toy. Anything new in here? We get the battery. Buffers electrical energy, stores extra production, and returns it in the event of high consumption. Oh, yeah. Okay, nothing new there. Oh, we get the warehouse T2? Oh, that thing holds a lot more. Holds a lot more. Support beams. Floor panels? Blocks of dirt. Steamroller. Oh, that's why we learned wheel. Hydraulic piston. Okay, that's where the hydraulic piston comes in. Oh, because it's got the actual roller in the front. Oh, cool. Pin that bad boy. Where do we build the wheel at? Well, we sure don't build the wheel in there. There's the wheel. Rubber ceramic compound. New stuff. There's our bigger oxygen tank too. Wow. You know, I haven't been running around with the battery, which I really should. But we got the bigger oxygen tank. That holds 200. These only hold 70. Wow, could you imagine 3 of these? But I'm going to go ahead and call this one here. We'll build the rover on the next one. I hope you guys have been enjoying this episode, and this game as much as I have. I mean, I'm having a blast on this. We need to build more of these fertilization things. Oh, our power must be getting low. We'll probably have to put some more power in because we're putting more and more stuff out there. But if you're enjoying it, go ahead and hit that like button. And I will see you guys on next Eden Crafter. This is Gmo signing off for now. Until next time. All right, everybody. Enjoy your gaming, and bye-bye for now.